We're now going to do part 4, which is the hitch peg. Start with a new standard IPT. Make sure you're working under the mini train project. Click on OK. And I'm going to start off with drawing the profile, like a section view of the hitch peg. So I'm going to begin with a line. I'm going to go straight down to the origin, just so that it can be fixed, and create just a simple profile that looks similar to this. Before we put the arc, I would like to start dimensioning some of these features. The total height of this hitch peg is 0.65. The height from the bottom to the bottom curvature is 0.5. Okay. Now, before this is rotated, the bottom diameter of the peg is 0.25. So we need to get that 0.25 and divide it by 2 to give us the radius. And we're going to do the same thing for the radius of the bottom part of the peg. It's 0.4 diameter, so we'll divide it by 2 so it can give us the radius. Okay, now we're down to the last part, which is the arc that goes right here. So we'll choose an arc. We're using a simple 3-point arc, making sure that we touch at the top point and touch at this right side point. And now we can give it any curvature that we want. Make sure it's curving this way and not inward. So once we do that, click on escape or done. This point is the center of the arc. As long as we make this point coincident with this line, our definition of this curve should be good. So coincident, the center point arc to this edge, and this curvature should now be the radius of 0.208. Let's go ahead and dimension that, and if it is, then that means we're doing okay. If you just click it and you want to accept it as going to be a driven constraint, that's fine. That's just so you can see it. Click on finish. Okay, goes to the isometric view, the home view. Let's just go ahead and revolve. It selects the profile automatically. We just need the axis. Click on the axis. Our part should be completely revolved. Select OK. It's a 360 degree. Right now, if you want to give it a color or some type of material, you can do so. And when you're done, just click on save and save this part as hitch peg. Click on save, and we're done.